Hello guys, in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to move pictures in CapCut. Let's get started. Open your CapCut account and you can sign in if you haven't signed in. After you sign into your account, you will come to this page. Under this page, you can go to your videos tab and click on any video that you want to add to your project. You can do so by scrolling into your folders and click one video. I've chosen this beautiful video of a tree, and then you need to choose a picture, add overlay, then click on a picture that you want to put in your... I've chosen this photo of an elevated door and then add. After this, you can see that there's an overlay of the picture on the video, and what you can do is shrink it to your appropriate size. And as you can see, there's a diamond shaped button in the side of the undo button, and click it. Then move your picture to another place, then click it again like this, then move it to another place again and click the diamond button. Now as you can see that your picture moves, but if you want to add multiple diamonds, then you can do so as well. So this is how you add a moving picture overlay to your project video in CapCut. And I hope you find this video very useful, and see you in the next one. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and leave any questions or suggestions below. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.